Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, May 22nd of 2019. So I hope you enjoyed yesterday on Tuesdays, because there's only one more Tuesday left of the school year. That would be next Tuesday. And then next Wednesday is our field day. Not today. Not today is not field day, because I know a couple of you asked me about that. So May 22nd is not field day. May 29th is. So a week from today. Library books. Boys and girls, if you still have a library book at home, return it. It's very important to make sure we get all the books back. So we don't want to be missing out any books, especially for students for next year. So if you have a library book, make sure that you return it. If you can't find the library book, you're going to have to probably pay a fine. So just make sure that your parents are aware of that. We'll start up our Google Expedition again today. So it looks like the weather should hold out. So hopefully we'll have a nice day and that we'll be able to do the Google Expeditions in the gym today. And for our May birthdays to announce, we have two of them. We have Avery Carr and Kaylee Floyd. So happy birthday to both of you today. And for our lunch choices today, we have chicken quesadilla, chicken patty sandwich, and also Italian sub. And today our Paws are brought to us by some 4th grade students from Miss Folt's class.
All right, it is time for our Paws, and we have 3 students here from 4th grade to talk about things for Paws for today.
Don't run in the halls. Don't scream in the cafeteria. No coffee.
All good suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, and at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, guys. Everyone have a great day today. Let's have a wonderful Wednesday, and I hope you make some great choices today also.